Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage tone volume for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by open Backbeat application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top. This application do not available for your iPhone, so if you have iOS, you cannot change it. Now we go to the settings and then you need to click at the system volume. And firstly, right here I have a mod, so when somebody calls to you, you will hear a tone when the call starts, I mean. And if you don't need it, you can just tap one time at the slider near to it and disable this mode. Then we have the volume for the voice prompts and voice tones. No, only tones. So, to increase the volume, you can just move this slider to the right. To lower it, just move this to the left. Then you can put your earbuds to your ears, click test volume, and right here you will hear voice prompts. If you wanna hear a tone, you can just tap at your touch area at your left earbud and you will hear them. But it depends right here, if you use play pause on the left earbud, then you need to press at the right earbud. So if you have this way, you just tap at the right earbud and check tone volume. And if you have play pause in the right earbud, you can do it at the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.